Now suppose we want to draw this portrait, and I actually want just the subject and not the background. So I need to remove the background, and also the image is little bit blurry and there is lots of shades. Our plotter can't generate too much shade, too much complicated shades. So we need to remove the background, and we also need to simplify the colors to make the image plotter friendly. So I'm using Gemini, and this is the final image we want to plot. To plot this, open Garble Plotter. I will connect the Arduino later. Just go to Files, then Setup, then Tool Table. Here in this image, I need black, green, yellow, red, these 4 colors. So in the Tool Table, I will just keep the necessary colors only. And also I need orange also. So total are 5 colors. So I'm keeping the necessary 5 colors only and deleting the rest of the colors. To delete a color, suppose this is orange, I want to delete this color. Just double click on it, select the whole hex file and press delete. Now the color is deleted. Again, to put a new color, just double click on the hex code and paste the color code. That's how it works. Now apply changes, close the window, go to G-code generation, convert image, load pictures, and upload the picture. If you want to change the plotting direction, you can just rotate the image before loading. That's how. Now click preview with colors from the tool tables, and in the color correction you can do some adjust, but I am satisfied with this. And on the preset, here you can see the 5 colors. It will use 51% of the plotting using the green, then black, orange, yellow, etc, etc. Now in the size and pattern, you can change the size and change the resolution also. I'm going with 0.7 resolution and hit create G-code. So this is our whole G-code. Before running the program, just copy the whole G-code. Just copy the whole G-code and save it into a text document so you have a backup. Now remove the M05 line, save the G-code and check if there is any negative values for both X and Y. And we have a negative values. What about the Y? So Y doesn't have a negative, but X does have a negative value. So if you run this G-code, it will appear a soft limit warning. To solve this, we will need to use offset. I'm using 5 in the X, also 5 in the Y. Y is not necessary, and I can go with actually 1 because the negative value is minus 0.3. So setting 1 offset, 1 millimeter offset in the positive direction will actually remove the X minus, but I'm going with 5. Now apply offset. Now see, we don't have a negative value. Sometimes in the G-code dimension tab, the negative values is not shown, so you must double check it by copying it somewhere in the notepad. Now I'm checking again, x minus, there is no negative value, that's a good sign. What about y? There is no negative values. Again we need to delete M05, this line. Save the G code, copy the whole G code and paste it there. So now it's ready to plot, and our x and y maximum dimension is also within the soft limit range, so we are good to go. Now connect the Arduino, kill the alarm, home the machine. Now press start streaming. Enjoy.